Hello friends, today I show you how to use Apple Map and how to setting. Okay friends, now I show you. Okay, let's see. First friends, you open your setting. So here friends, scroll down and open map. Click here, and here friends, you setting while using the app. Click here, and here you see downside, this setting also you on. And next friends, and here you see if you driving or walking or use public transport and cycling. So here you can setting you use driving or walking and public transport or cycling, so you can setting here. So next friends, you see here have a direction, so you click to here driving, and first setting have the tolls and motorway. This all setting you off if you want avoid this way, and if you want use tolls way and motorway, then you this setting off. So here have compass and speed limit, this one you choice, if you want on then can on. So next have friends public transport. Click to public transport. Here you click friends bus, rail and underground rail. So these three things you can on. Then next have cycling. Click to cycling. Then here you want avoid to hills and busy road, then you can here setting. So next friends, scroll down and here you see all setting on. Then air quality on, weather condition also on, and always in English also on. And more important, show parked location. So when you this setting on, then any when you want to parking anywhere, so automatically you can see near which one parking near your place. So okay friends, so now going to map. In map, so I show you. So click here friends. Here you see gas station, restaurant, shopping center, coffee shop, banks, ATM, hotels, bus stop. So I just click to gas station. Friends, gas station and petrol pump same. So if you select gas station, also meaning a petrol pump, any petrol diesel pump nearby you, then this can show in the map. So here friends, you see all nearby you have a gas station, all you can see. Then next friend, I click to restaurant. Here you can see the location, this restaurant. So if you scroll down and all contact number and all detail this restaurant you can see. Then next you select you want to go driving or you want to go walking and public transport and cycling and grab, all you can here select. Then when you select ready friends, so just click to go, then this location you can go very easily. So, okay friends, so next click here and you on this one traffic. Then click here friends. So you see here the map where have yellow color line and red color line, this meaning here have so many traffic. When you go anywhere, then you can see all traffic. Then next friend have public transport. Click here and see public transport, all bus stop and MRT station and MRT line, all you can see here. And if you click any place, and you can get direction also. So next friend have satellite. So if satellite I select, so you see here if I use satellite, then here have which road have more traffic, I can see here also very clearly. So okay friends, now I one location writing here and see how to going there. I writing here Red Hill Lane Block 79 Market. Click here, and if I click driving friends, so you see here three way. So first have 46 minutes, this one have without toll. and 31 mint have with toll, and 36 mint also have this way have toll. So this one, which way you want, you just click to go and you can choose this way. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.